Hello friends, RRB PO mains paper number 75 explanation quantitative aptitude. Look at question number 161 onwards. The given bar graph shows the 6 different pipes and their efficiency in liters per minute. All these are the efficiency of different pipes P, Q, R, S, T, U. Per minute pipe can fill 36 liters, Q can fill 20 liters, R can fill 24 liters like that. The first question, pipe S and T together can fill a tank in 36 minutes. Pipe S and T together can fill a tank in 36 minutes. Pipe R alone start to fill a tank and after X minutes S and T together replaced. If pipe S and T together filled the remaining tank in 24 minutes, then find the value of X. See, generally pipes S and T can fill the tank in 36 minutes. But R is open to fill the tank. After some time, R is closed and S and T fill the remaining tank in 24 minutes. It means already pipe R filled some part of the tank. That some part of the tank nothing but 36 minus 24, 12 minutes. In 12 minutes, S and T together can fill how many liters? That part is filled by R alone in how much time we need to calculate. In 12 minutes, S and T together. S 25, T 30, 25 plus 30, 55 liters in 1 minute. Then in 12 minutes means 55 into 12 minutes. This part of the tank is filled by R initially. R capacity 24 liters. Then total in how much time means 55 into 12 by 24. So in 27.5 minutes, pipe R is replaced by S and T together. R is replaced by S and T together. Next. P, R, U start filling in such a way that P fill the tank in first and second minute, U fill the tank in third minute or in fourth and fifth minute. If the tank is completely filled in 80 to 5 by 7 minutes, then find the total capacity of the tank. P fill the tank in first and second minute. So in first and second minute, P is going to fill the tank. Whereas in third minute, U filled the tank in third minute. In third minute, U fill the tank. And then pipe R in fourth and fifth minute. In fourth and fifth minute, pipe R is going to fill the tank. Pipe P capacity 36 liters in 1 minute. So first minute, second minute, pipe P can fill 72 liters. Whereas U capacity 35 liters. R capacity 24 liters in 1 minute. So fourth minute, fifth minute, total 48 liters. So in 5 minutes, all the pipes together can fill 72 plus 48, 120 plus 35, 155 liters. 155 liters. And the complete tank is filled in 82 5 by 7 minutes. Then in 82 5 by 7 minutes, how many liters we need to calculate? In 5 minutes, 155 liters. In 80 minutes, 16 5s are 80, 80. 80 plus 8, 88, 2480 liters in 80 minutes. But the question is about 80 to 5 by 7 minutes. See, 80 minutes is over. For the next 2 minutes, only P is working. For the next 2 minutes, P is working. So in that 2 minutes, P can fill 72 liters. In that next 5 by 7 minutes, only UV is working. 5 by 7 minutes, only UV is working. U capacity 35 liters in 1 minute. In 5 by 7 minutes, it can fill 25 liters. So total in 82 5 by 7 minutes, the pipes can fill how many liters means 2497 liters. 2497, sorry. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 172577. 2577 is your answer. Total capacity of the tank is 2577 liters. Fourth option is your answer. Next. Pipe S can fill a tank in 84 minutes. V is 40% more efficient than pipe Q. Find the time taken by U and V together to fill the same tank. Pipe S can fill the tank in 84 minutes. In 1 minute, S can fill 25 liters. In 84 minutes, how many liters means? In 84 into 25, this is the total capacity of the tank. That capacity right now we need to fill with pipes U and V. Already U capacity 35 liters in 1 minute, whereas V capacity is 40% more than Q. Q is 20 liters. 40% more means 8 liters extra, so total 28 liters. 84 into 25 by 63 liters. 21 3 times, 21 4 times. In 100 by 3 minutes, nothing but 33 1 by 3 minutes. Next. If the total capacity of the tank is 3200 liters, Q, S, T are attached to it. Q and T are filling pipes and S is an emptying pipe. All the three pipes are opened together. Then in how much time the tank will completely filled? Q, T are filling pipes. Q and T are filling pipes. And S is an emptying pipe. S is an emptying pipe. Q 20 liters. T 30 liters. Whereas S can empty 25 liters. All three pipes together can fill 25 liters in 1 minute. Then tank capacity 3200 liters in how much time? 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. Still left with 70. 25 twos are 50. 200. 25 eights are. In 128 minutes, the tank is going to fill. Next. Pipe P, R and X together can fill the tank in 24 minutes. And the efficiency of pipe X is 60% more than the efficiency of pipe S, then the total capacity of the tank. P can fill 36 liters in 1 minute. R can fill 24 liters in 1 minute. Whereas X is 60% more than S. S 25 liters. To that 60% extra. So 60% of 25 means 15 liters extra. Then X capacity 40 liters in 1 minute. All three pipes together can fill 100 liters in 1 minute. The time required is 24 minutes to fill the tank. In 1 minute 100 liters, in 24 minutes means 2400 liters is the capacity of the tank. Fifth option is your answer. Quadratic equations. 10 plus x into 10 minus x is equal to 64. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 100 minus x square equal to 64. X square equal to 36. X equal to plus or minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6. Y value 9. X less than y is your answer. Product of roots is negative in both of the given equations. Your answer is no relation. 5 2s are 10. 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 1 will give us 11. Initially plus 10 plus 1. Finally minus 10 minus 1. Before x square 2 I am having. So minus 10 by 2 means minus 5 minus 1 by 2. 4 6 are 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 plus 3 will give us 11. Finally minus 8 minus 3. Minus 8 by 4 means minus 2 minus 3 by 4. Less than, greater than, no relation is your answer. 7 6 are 42 plus 7 minus 6 will give us plus 1. Initially plus 7 minus 6, finally minus 7 plus 6. 12 ones are 12, 4 threes are 12, 4 plus 3 will give us 7, finally minus 4 minus 3. Less than, greater than, no relation is your answer. 18 threes are 54. Factors also same, plus 18 minus 3. Plus 18 minus 3 will give us plus 15, finally minus 18 plus 3. Minus 18 by 3 means minus 6, 3 by 3 means 1. Y square value 36, y value plus or minus 6. Less than, greater than, no relation. Quantity 1, quantity 2. What is the profit percent? 4 articles cost 3 rupees were sold at 3 articles cost 4 rupees. 4 articles 3 rupees means 12 articles 9 rupees are not. Cost price of 12 articles is 9 rupees. 3 articles 4 rupees, then 12 articles 16 rupees. Selling price 16 rupees. Profit 7 rupees by 9 rupees into 100. 77, 7 by 9%. Next, quantity 2. What is the profit percent? If cost price of 20 apples is 50 rupees, are sold at 42 rupees per dozen. 42 rupees per dozen. See, 20 apples 50 rupees, each apple 2.5 rupees. Dozen apples 42 rupees, each apple 3.5 rupees. Selling price 3.5, cost price 2.5. There is a profit of 1 rupee upon 2.5 rupees into 100. 1000 by 25, 40% profit. 1 greater than 2 is your answer. Next. A can complete a work in X days while B takes 25% more. A and B together complete the work in 10 by 3 days. In how many days B alone can finish the work? A can complete a work in X days. B takes 25% more. So time ratio 4 is to 5. Time ratio 4 is to 5 means efficiency ratio 5 is to 4. A can do 5 units in 1 day, whereas B can do 4 units in 1 day. They together can do 9 units in 1 day. They together require 10 by 3 days to complete the work. In 1 day, 9 units. In 10 by 3 days, 30 units. Total work is 30 units. These 30 units are done by B alone in how much time? B in 1 day, 4 units. Then 30 units are in how much time means 30 by 4, 7.5 days. 7.5 days is your answer. Next. A can do a piece of work in 18 days. A and B together can complete the same piece of work in 1/3 of A. In how many days B alone can do the work? A in 18 days. A plus B together can do 1/3 of A, nothing but in 6 days. 1/3 of A means 6 days. B alone means A plus B together minus A. LCM 18. 2 by 18 nothing but 1 by 8. 2 by 18 means 1 by 9. B alone can do the work in 9 days. 1 less than 2. A and B started a business by investing 22,500 and 35,000. After 18 months, A withdrew his amount and B continued till at the end. At the end of 2 years, A received 5,400. What is the share of B? A 22,500 for 18 months. B 35,000 for 2 years means 24 months. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 25 nines are 25 14s are. 6 3 times, 6 4 times. 27 is to 56. Profit of A 27 parts value given as 5,400. 27 double 54 followed by 2 zeros. 56 double 112 followed by 2 zeros. Share of B 11,200. 11,200. Next. The profit ratio of A and B given as 5:4 and the investment of A is 14,000. What is the investment of B? Profit ratio nothing but investment ratio only. So investment of A given as 14,000. 5 parts value 14,000. 5 parts value 14,000. 1 part value 2,800. Then 4 parts value 11,200. 1 equal to 2. Speed of two trains A and B are in the respective ratio of 8:9. Train B covers 775 meters in 31 seconds. What is the speed of train A in kilometers per hour? Train B covers 775 meters in 31 seconds. 31 2s are 62. Remaining 155. 31 5s are 25 meters per second. Convert into kilometers per hour. 18 by 5. 90 kilometers per hour. Train B speed is 90 kmph. Here B belongs to 9 parts. So 9 parts value 90. A 8 parts value 80 kmph. A 8 parts value 80 kmph. That is quantity 1. Next, quantity 2. A train crosses a man in 20 seconds and the length of the train is 400 meters. What is the speed of the train? So train crosses 400 meters in 20 seconds. 20 meters per second. In kilometers per hour means 18 by 5. 72 kilometers per hour. 1 greater than 2. The ages of A and B are in the ratio of 7:5 and the age of C is 2 times that of A. Age of C is 2 times that of A. 4 years ago, age of B 21 years. 4 years ago, B 21 means present 25. In the ratio B 5 parts value 25. Then A 7 parts value 35. C is 2 times that of A. C nothing but 70. Then present age of C and age of A after 5 years. Present age of C 70. Age of A after 5 years 40. This is quantity 1. Next. Ages of A and B are in the ratio of 14:13. And after 2 years, hence the ratio will be 72:67. What is the age of A and B? Present ratio 14:13. After 2 years ratio 72:67. Multiply the first ratio with 5. You will get 70:65. 72:67. 70 became 72. 65 became 67. 2 parts increases for how many years? 2 years. Ages of A and B. 2 parts value 2 years means 1 part value 1 year. A 70 years, B 65 years. Quantity 2 70 65. Quantity 1 70 40. Quantity 2 70 65. 70 65. Less than, greater than, no relation is your answer. Next. See, actually, the value is mistake here. The value is mistake. The diagram, we can't solve the questions by using these values. The diagram having some mistakes in value calculations. Just leave it. Next, quantity 1, quantity 2 comparison. Sorry, data sufficiency. Data sufficiency. Find out the share of B out of 2,340. Which of the following statements are sufficient to answer the questions? Okay, out of 2,340, what is B share? Share of A is 2.6 times of the combined share of B and C. No, from that you will get only A value. Share of C is 2/3 of the combined share of A and B. From this you will get C value. Share of B is 2/7 of the combined share of A and C. Third statement alone we can say the answer, or else 1 and 2 together also we can say the answer. Third statement alone or else 1 and 2 together. Only statement C is sufficient. Fifth option is your answer. Only statement C. Next. What is the speed of the boat in still water? M value. The boat covers 16 kilometers in 2 hours downstream. So downstream speed is 8 kmph. But they ask M value. Speed of the stream is 1/4 of that of speed of the boat in still water. M and S are in the ratio of 4:1. The boat covers the same distance in 4 hours in upstream. So same distance means 16 kilometers in upstream, M minus S nothing but 4 kmph. By combining 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, you will get the answer. By using any two of the statements, you will get the answer. Next. To find the temperature on Sunday and Tuesday, which of the following information is sufficient? Sunday and Tuesday. Average temperature from Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday given as 42 degrees. Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, average 42, total 126. Average temperature for Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, 48 degrees average, total 144 degrees. Temperature on Tuesday and Friday was 55 degrees each. The question is about Sunday and Tuesday. Okay. Temperature on Tuesday 55 degrees. On Friday also 55 degrees. By combining 1 and 2, Tuesday, Wednesday you will get Friday minus Sunday you will get. Friday minus Sunday from 1 and 2. Already from third statement Friday we know, from this you will get Tuesday is how much. So all the three statements are required to solve the given questions. All the three statements are required to solve the given questions. Next. Ram, Shyam and Dheeraj invested some money and buy a printing machine. They share the earnings in proportion to the amount invested by them. What is the share of Ram in the earnings? Total earnings on a particular day is 1236. Shyam gets 92 more than Ram and Ram gets 58 lesser than Dheeraj. Second statement alone we can say the answer. The earnings of Shyam and Dheeraj together is 984. See. A and B you will get the answer. A and B. Second statement alone not possible. A and B. Ram gets 58 lesser than Dheeraj. Dheeraj X rupees. Ram 58 lesser means X minus 58. Shyam 92 more than Ram. X minus 58 plus 92. All the three members together they given as 1236 in the first statement. 1 and 2 we can say the answer. 1 and 3 also we can say the answer. B and C also we can say the answer. Any two we can say the answer. Next. 10 men and 8 women can complete a piece of work in 6 days. 10 men and 8 women can complete a piece of work in 6 days. How many days will it take for 12 men and 4 women to complete the same work? 12 men and 4 women to complete the same work. First statement. 12 men can complete the work in 8 days. Men data they given. 12 men can complete the work in 8 days. If you substitute this men data here, you can find what is women data also. By knowing men data, women data, you will get the answer here self. So first statement we can say the answer. 10 women also can do the work in 15 days. Second statement also we can say the answer. The amount of work done by a woman is 3/4 of the work done by a man in one day. The amount of work done by a woman is 3/4 of the work done by a man in one day. From here also we can say the answer. Either 1 or 2 or 3. Next. A and B working alone can do a work in 20 days, 15 days respectively. They started the work together but left X days after X days B left after X days. A finished the remaining work in 6 days. What is the value of X? 20, 15 LCM 60. A per day 3 units, B per day 4 units. They together in one day can do 7 units. They together work up to X days. After X days, B left and A finished the remaining work in 6 days. In one day, A can do 3 units. In 6 days, A can complete 18 units out of 60. So remaining 42 units are already done by A plus B together in X days. A plus B together in one day 7 units. Then 42 units are in 6 days. After 6 days, B left. X nothing but 6. A salesman offers a commission of A person on the first sale worth of 2500 and B person on the part of the sale remaining it. He gives 925 as commission on a sale of 7000 and 1105 rupees as commission on a sale of 8500. Find the values of A and B. See, on 925 rupees commission on 7000. On first 2000 rupees 2500 A person. 7000 I can divide as 2500 plus 4500. There is a commission of 925. And 8500 I divided it as 2500 plus 4500 plus 1500. Total commission is 1105 rupees. On this 2500 commission is A percent. On the rest of the values there is a commission of B percent. There is a commission of B percent. Just we need to find out what is A and B. Difference between 1105 minus 925 is 180. Difference between the principles is 1500. Difference between these two principles is 1500. So this 180 rupees is nothing but interest on this extra 1500 at the rate of B percent. This 180 rupees is nothing but interest on extra 1500 at the rate of B percent. So B nothing but 180 by 1500 into 100. 12% is the value of B. On 1500 rupees, 180 rupees commission at the rate of B percent is. On 4500 rupees, there is a commission of 540 at the rate of B percent, or else 12% of 4500 is 540. Out of 925 rupees, 540 rupees on 4500. So the remaining 385 rupees on 2500. So A nothing but 385 rupees on 2500. So 385 is what percent of 2500? 25 15s are 375.4, 15.4%. Next, Ravi and Raju can complete a piece of work in 60 days and 90 days respectively. They work together for 15 days. Then Ravi leaves and Raju continues the work alone. 6 days after, Rakesh joins in place of Ravi. And the work is completed in 31 days more. You know how many days can Rakesh alone complete the whole work? 60, 90 LCM 180 units. Ravi 180 units in 60 days, per day 3 units. Raju 180 units in 90 days, per day 2 units. 180 units in 90 days, per day 2 units. Ravi and Raju. They work together for 15 days. In one day 5 units. In 15 days they together can do 75 units. Then Ravi left. And Raju continues the work alone. After 6 days, after Rakesh joins in place of Ravi. Up to 6 days, Raju alone working. In one day, 2 units. In 6 days, 12 units. Then Rakesh joins in place of Ravi. And the remaining work is completed in 31 days more. For this 31 days also, Ravi is working. In that 31 days, Ravi can do 93 units. Ravi, Raju, 75, 12. Sorry. Rakesh joins in place of Ravi. Rakesh joins in place of Ravi. After 6 days, Rakesh joins in place of Ravi. Okay, Ravi left. See here. Ravi left here. So next 6 days, Raju is working per day 2 units, 6 days 12 units. So right now Raju and Rakesh both are working for the remaining 31 days. In that 31 days, Raju capacity, Raju can do 62 units. 70, 80, 140. 149 units are over out of 180. The remaining 31 units are done by Rakesh working for 31 days. 31 units in 31 days, per day 1 unit. Rakesh can do 1 unit per 1 day. Then total 180 units are in how many days means 180 days is your answer. Next. Shravan, Shivan, Sangeet enter into a partnership. Shravan initially invested 10 lakhs and adds 10 lakhs after 2 years. Shivan initially invested 20 lakhs and withdraw 10 lakhs after 1 year. Sangeeta invested 30 lakhs. In what ratio should the profit is divided at the end of 3 years? Shravan 10 lakhs up to 2 years. After 2 years, Shravan invested again 10 lakhs. After 2 years, Shravan invested again 10 lakhs. Means 20 lakhs per third year. Only for 1 year, 20 lakhs. Shravan. Shivan started with 20 lakhs up to 1 year. After 1 year, Shivan withdraw 10 lakhs. Out of 20 lakhs, he withdraw 10 lakhs, remaining 20 lakhs for the rest of 2 years. That is Shivan. Sangeeta started with 30 lakhs for the entire 3 years. For the entire 3 years. 10 twos are 20, 20 ones are 20, 20 plus 20 means 40. 20 plus 40 means 60. 33 is 90. 2 is to, sorry, ratio 4 is to 6 is to 9. Profit ratio 4 is to 6 is to 9. That's not 4, 6. Four is to 6 is to 9 is your answer. Next. Mr. X spends 20% on house rent and 25% on shopping of groceries out of his salary in a year. 20 plus 25, 45% is over. Remaining 55% is he invested in fixed deposit and mutual funds in the respective ratio of 5 is to 6. Remaining 55% is in the respective ratio of 5 is to 6. 5 plus 6, 11 parts value 55, 1 part value 5%, then 5 parts value 25% and 6 parts value 30%. Fixed deposits and mutual funds. Total 90,000 in mutual funds. So 30% value 90,000. How much did he pay as house rent in a year? House rent is 20%, 60,000. 60,000. Next. A boat goes 12 kilometers upstream, M minus S. 18 kilometers downstream, M plus S in 3 hours. Nothing but 12x plus 18y is equal to 3. 4x plus 6y is equal to 1. I just imagine 1 by M minus S is equal to x. 1 by M plus S is equal to y. It can go 36 kilometers upstream and 24 kilometers downstream in 3.5 hours. Sorry, in 6.5 hours. Okay. From this we can write down 36x plus 24y is equal to 6.5. 36 upstream, 24 downstream, 12 upstream, 18 downstream, 3 4s are 3 6s are. Okay. Here I am having 36x, there I am having 4x. 24 by 6y, multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16x, 4 6 are 24y is equal to 4. Minus minus minus. 20x is equal to 2.5. X equal to 1 by 8. X nothing but 1 by m minus s. So m minus s is equal to 8. In place of x, just substitute 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 16 into 1 by 8, nothing but 2 times. 4 minus 2 means 2. 24y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by 24 means 1 by 12. 1 by m plus s is equal to 1 by 12. From this, m plus s is equal to 12. M equal to 10 kmph. Next. Study the following in the table carefully to answer the given questions. The table shows price per kg at which different farmers sell 5 different products. Farmers are ST, UV, WX, MN, QR, RK. 5 different products are barley, corn, jowar, oat, and wheat. These are the products. Okay. If WX sells 45 kg of wheat. Wheat cost is 50 rupees. 45 kg of wheat. 45 into 50, 2250 rupees. 60 kg of barley. Barley cost I don't know. Take it as X rupees. 60 kg of barley cost, take it as X rupees. 60 kg of corn. Corn cost is 60 rupees per kg. Total 60 kg of corn means 3600. This is 60x. 60x. Next. 60 kg of jowar. 60 kg of jowar cost is 80 rupees per kg. Total 4800. 40 kg of oat. Oat cost given as 75 rupees. 40 kg means 3000 rupees. For a total cost of 22,650 rupees. 22,650 rupees. Then what is the selling price of 20 kg of barley? Okay. 4,000, 3,000, 7,000, 3,000, 10,000, 2,000, 12,000, 800, 600, 1,400 plus 250, 650. 14,650 plus 60x is equal to 22,650. From this 60x is equal to 8,000. Just a minute. 4,000, 3,000, 7,000, 10,000, 12,000, 800, 600, 1,400 plus 250, 1,650, 14,650. Sorry, 13,650. This is 13,650. Then this value is 9,000. 60x is equal to 9,000. Question is about 20 kg barley. Barley cost is X rupees per kg. 20 kg barley means 20x is how much? 3,000 rupees. 60x value 9,000. 20x value 3,000. Next. UV sells for 8,100 rupees corn and oat for 10,000. If the quantity of corn sold by him is 10% lesser than that of oat, what is the selling price of corn per kg? What is the selling price of corn per kg? So here oat, UV, oat cost is 100 rupees per kg. Then 10,000 rupees means he sell 100 kg. Per kg 100 rupees. He obtained 10,000 rupees means he sold 100 kg. Corn is 10% lesser than oat. So 10% lesser than oat means corn 90 kg. That 90 kg he sold at 8,100 90 kg 8,100 means 1 kg 90 rupees. Next, if the average selling price of wheat by all the farmers is 58, then what is the selling price of 50 kg of wheat sold by farmer RK? Farmer RK is how much? Average selling price given as 58. Then farmer RK also 58 if the remaining farmers is 58. But first farmer is 55 only. Second one is 60. Third one is 50. Fourth one is 65. Fifth one is 50 only. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 3, 19 minus 9, 10. So average price of Mr. RK is 68 rupees per kg wheat. Wheat per kg 68, then 50 kg means 3,400. Next. QR sold 120 kg of Jover and MN sold 10% more Jover than QR. If MN earned 20,460 by selling 132 kg of wheat and Jover, 20,460 by selling 132 kg of wheat and Jover by farmer MN. Then wheat and Jover per kg price 132, 132, left with 726, 132 5 times 660, again 5 times. Wheat plus Jover by farmer MN together is 155 rupees. In that farmer MN, out of 155, wheat cost is 65. Wheat cost is 65. Then Jover cost is 90 rupees. 155 minus 65 means 90 rupees. Next. What will be the total cost of polishing curved surface area of a cylinder at the rate of 60 rupees per meter square if the diameter is 30 centimeters and height is 28? Curved surface area 2 pi r h at the rate of 60 rupees per meter square. So in the formula you have pi. Pi stands for 11 multiple is your answer. First option is your answer. 11 multiple first option. The compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 10% per annum is 385 rupees more than the simple interest on the same sum for 2 years at 5% per annum. What is the sum? For 1 year 10% means 2 years compound interest is 21%. For 1 year 5% means 2 years simple interest is 10%. Difference is 11% value 385. Principal means by default 100% 3500. The retail price of a watch is 1062.60. If the manufacturer gains 5%, wholesale dealer gains 10%, retailer gets 15%, then what is the cost price of the watch? So if cost price of the watch is X rupees, manufacturer gains 5%, selling price 105%. Wholesaler 10%, selling price 110%. Retailer 15%. Selling price of the retailer is 115. That value given as 1062.6. Find X value. 521 times 523 by 20 times. 11 ones are 11. Sorry, 11 nines are 99. Next 52. 11 nines are 99. 72. 11 6 are 66. 11 6 are 66. 23 4s are 92, 23 2s are 21, 0.2 times. X by 4000 is equal to 0.2. X equal to 800. Cost to price nothing but 800. Side of a square is equal to breadth of a rectangle. A is equal to B. Area of a square is 39 centimeter square lesser than the area of the rectangle. LB minus A square is equal to 39. Length of the rectangle is 3 centimeters greater than the breadth. L equal to B plus 3. Find the area of this square. L equal to B plus 3 into B minus A plus low BA. B square equal to 39. B square plus 3B minus B square equal to 39. 3B is equal to 39. B equal to 13, which is also equal to side of A square. A square equal to 169. Next. A road roller of diameter of 15 centimeters. Diameter of 15 centimeters means radius 15 by 2 centimeters. And height 14 centimeters. Height 14 centimeters is used to construct the road of length 66 meters and breadth 10 meters. If the cost of constructing road via road roller is 15 rupees per every 4 revolutions made by the road roller, then find the total cost of constructing road via road roller. First of all, to smoothen the road, how many number of revolutions required? Number of revolutions. Area of the road 66 meters converted into centimeters into 10 meters. This is area of the road by area of the road roller 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into 15 by 2 into 14. This will give us number of revolutions required. Number of revolutions required. So number of revolutions, how much means area of the road by area of the roller. 7 2 times 2 2 get cancelled. 22 2s are 44. 44 15 times 660. 66 10. So 10,000 revolutions are required. For every 4 revolutions there is 15 rupees. Then per 1 revolutions, per 1 revolution how much means 4 by 15? 15 by 4 rupees. For every 4 revolutions 15 rupees. Then per 1 revolution how much means 15 by 4 rupees. Total 10,000 revolutions are required. 10,000 revolutions are required. Then total cost for the road is 10,000 into 15 by 4. 4 2,500 times 37,500 is your answer. 37,500 is your answers. Thank you.